Tom Allgaier here for Medic Ambulance in Sacramento. We are here at 3300 Business Drive to take a tour of our new building. So this will be the new ambulance bay. The lights will be raised up. We will have all but the very last bay, which will be logistics, equipment storage, but the rest will be indoor parking for our ambulances. We'll be able to fit 30 ambulances inside this facility. And then we'll walk down here. There's bathrooms throughout, men's and women's on this side. You're actually able to look through into what will be our supervisor's office right here. And then right next door to it is our logistics office. We'll continue into the building. And we'll just come down the hallway here. There will be a small conference room right in here. We're going to try and utilize these for crew storage, for kind of like a locker for the crews. This will be the kitchen area for all the crews, for our 24-hour crews, and then anyone else who wants to come in here and make their meals. Coming out here, there will actually be an entryway against that wall for crews to access the building, and then they'll come right in here, and there will be a couple of stations for them with clock-in computers so they can do their clock-in work here. Coming this way, there will be offices, two offices on this side that haven't been built out yet. This is one of them, but one will be built. This is our copy area. All our copy machines will be there. We will have two offices here. One will be for a receptionist. The main entry to the building is right here. And actually, you want to look outside here so we can see. All right, coming outside now. We're coming out to the front of the building. And as you can see, there is a ton of parking here for all of our crews. I believe there's 49 parking places just in this front area and along the side. The landscaping will be done very nicely. As you can see, we have lots of trees already here that are mature, so it's going to be just an awesome place to go. So one of the great features about this location is that right across the street is a park. So the crews will be able to come over here, relax before or after shift. Office personnel will be able to go over there and eat lunch. It's just a great location right here. Come back this way. There will be another conference room right here, which will be the big conference room. And that actually might take up both those offices there. There will be offices here. Jimmy will have his office in here. More offices along this wall. In the back corner there will be Helen's office. We will have Helen's suite, because she will have a bathroom there as well. And then we'll walk down to the crew area again. Kind of make the circle of the office right there. This will be the crew area. There will be 4 quiet rooms here for the crew to sleep in. There will be a lounge on the other side there. They'll have their audio-visual set up in there with their lounge chairs and sofas. Place for the crews to relax when they're not running calls. This will be a hallway that goes past the crew quarters and then into the education room. We have a huge education area here. It'll be divided into 2 rooms, Education 1, Education 2. There will be audio-visual projectors, smart interactive TVs, TV screens on the walls. and there will be seating for a lot of people in here. So this is going to be quite the facility when we're complete. And then we'll walk back out into the bay. And this very last bay here will be a logistics area that'll be fenced off, and we'll have all of our equipment that, such as leftover stretchers, backboards, all kinds of equipment that doesn't really need to be so much in a closed office. And then back out here, and we are at the beginning phase of demo here very soon. They're pulling permits now, and we will be up and running here in a few short months.